Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online class organized by Radhika Online Coaching Center. Student, me Manju Paswan. Today I am here in front of you by an anatomical class that is related to human stage, different stages of human life. Students, as we know that there are different stages of human life, among them adolescence is one of the critical stages of human life. As we know that in this stage different types of changes occur. That's why it is called critical stage. Today we are going to discuss about the stage of human life, and among them one of the stage is adolescence. Student, adolescence is those stages in which people are in growing up at adult age and they are going to near the maturity. That's why student, it is also known as, according to WHO, age between 10 to 19 year of human. Age between 10 to 19 year is known as adolescence. WHO define it. The age between 10 to 19 year is known as adolescence, and the person who is in this age is known as adolescent. Adolescent is a person who are in this age. It means stage between 10 to 19 years. Now students, in this stage what are the characteristics? How we can define in this age in different phase? We are going to discuss here. The characteristics of adolescents are characteristics of adolescent. These are going to describe here. It is a age of searching. So student, first of all I am going to define or clarify you. Searching, it means they have to search their identity. Searching identity. They want to search their identity. It means they also want to know about themselves. They also think they exist. It means they are the person. They are also the person who have right to get different types of decision. That's why if in family, if there is problem, if there is a scarcity or there is not provision to identify them, it is difficult to say that the age of searching identity. Other age is, it is the age of daydream. Daydream means, student, it is daydream. They have to think and imagine lots of things which are not actual. They want to make their career, they want to make themselves as a false life also. That's why it is also known as a daydreaming age. Students, the other characteristic is, it is an age of frustration. A student, we know that when in family there is not mutual understanding, not good cooperation among the parent and kid, this is a critical stage. That's why child need more care and supervision of the guardians or parents. If this time they think they are not getting so much love which they deserve, they become frustrated. Lots of things, not only parental view, lots of things. There are also lots of things like family background, like peer pressure, like different types of hopeless Like for example, if a student do not get lots of mark which they hope, desire, in this time they also easily get to frustration. That's why it is also known as age of frustration. It is the age of pre-adulthood. Age of pre-adulthood. Pre-adulthood, you know students, कि adulthood means going to be adult age. It means after 20. So after 20 it is pre-adulthood, because the kids or the adolescents are going to be prepared to give their stage to adulthood. It means it is nearly to adulthood but not actual to adulthood. That's why it is age of pre-adulthood. Students, this age is also known as age of Dalma. Dalma means the condition when people have to do or not some such types of work or some special work, they are in between position, and this is also age of Dalma because they have lots of things they have to desire, hope which is not going to be fulfilled, and they are in Dalma. Lots of decisions they want to take, but due to their prematurity, not fully maturity, they are in Dalma. That's why student, it is also one of the thing that is it's one of the characteristics. It is the age of important age. Important age. Important age. That's why I'm telling you, because in this stage 10 to 19, the physically and mentally the adolescent are going to be mature, because in this stage if the mental development and physical development is going to be right way, also one of the social development, it is going to be right way, the future will be bright for the kids. But if in this stage the physical growth, mental development, social adjustment is going to be bad way, the kid future is going to be ruined. That's why it is also called the age of important age. Important age. A student, these are the characteristics of adolescent, and one of the also characteristics I want to say you that this is the age of change. Change means different types of physical activity is going to be changed, different type of physically that like anatomical is going to be changed, different types of development is going to be changed, body structure, gesture, posture, voice, reproductive organs, these are going to be changed, going to be grow of maturity. That's why students, these are the characteristics of adolescent, and this age is also a critical stage. That's why we should be take care in this stage. Now in next class I will discuss you about different problems and solution of this stage. Thank you. Bye.